In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize an image Squarespace 7.0. To begin, open Squarespace and go to the Pages menu. From there, select the page where the image is located. This is the page you will be editing, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Once you are on the right page, hover over the page workspace and click Edit. This will open the page editor and allow you to make layout changes directly on the page. If you are not already in edit mode, you will not be able to adjust blocks or change the image area. Next, find the image that you want to resize. Near that image, click an insertion point, which is the plus icon. This opens the block layout menu where you can add a new element to help control the spacing and layout around your image. From the menu, select Spacer. The spacer block is useful because it gives you more control over how much room the image takes up within the section. After adding it, drag the spacer block directly to the left or right side of your image block. Placing the spacer beside the image helps adjust the layout and can make resizing easier and more precise. Now move your cursor over the bottom edge of the image block. As you hover there, look for the gray crop handle. This is the control you will use to change the visible frame of the image. Click and drag that gray crop handle upward if you want to shorten the vertical frame. Drag it downward if you want to lengthen it. This changes how much vertical space the image occupies on the page. As you do this, take a moment to watch how the image fits within the surrounding content. Small adjustments often work best, especially if you want the page to look balanced and clean. The goal is to resize the image frame so it looks right within the design of your page. When you are happy with the result, go to the top left corner of the master toolbar and click Save. Saving locks in your changes and updates the page with the new image size. That covers everything you need to know.